Are you thinking about your financial future? If so, you've likely heard of a 401k plan. But do you really know how it works and why it's so important? Whether you're just starting your career or planning for retirement, understanding your 401k could be the key to a comfortable and secure future. In today's video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about 401k plans, what they are, how they work, and why they're a game changer for your retirement savings. Stick with us till the end, because the insights you'll gain today could help you build a strong financial foundation for tomorrow. What is a 401k plan? A 401k plan is a retirement savings account offered by many employers in the United States. Named after a section of the U.S. tax code, it allows employees to save and invest a portion of their paycheck before taxes are taken out. The money in a 401k grows tax-deferred, meaning you won't pay taxes on it until you withdraw the funds, usually after retirement. Why is a 401k plan important? The 401k plan is one of the most powerful tools for retirement savings, especially when your employer offers a matching contribution. That's free money added to your account just for contributing to your 401k. Over time, thanks to the magic of compound interest, your savings can grow significantly, providing you with a substantial nest egg for your retirement years. How does a 401k work? Here's a quick breakdown. Employee contributions. You decide how much of your salary to contribute, and that amount is automatically deducted from your paycheck before taxes. Employer match. Many employers match a portion of your contribution, typically up to a certain percentage of your salary. Investment options. You can choose from a variety of investment options, including stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. The goal is to grow your savings over time. Tax benefits. Contributions are made with pre-tax dollars, reducing your taxable income. Plus, your investments grow tax-deferred until you start making withdrawals in retirement. Withdrawals. After age 59 and a half, you can start withdrawing funds from your 401k without penalty. Withdrawals are taxed as ordinary income. The power of compound interest. One of the most compelling reasons to invest in a 401k is the power of compound interest. When you earn interest on your contributions and on the interest that has already accumulated, your savings can grow exponentially over time. Starting early and contributing regularly can make a huge difference in the amount you'll have available when you retire. Common questions about 401k plans. What happens if I leave my job? You can roll over your 401k into an IRA or another employer's 401k plan without losing any benefits. How much should I contribute? A common rule of thumb is to contribute at least enough to get the full employer match. Don't leave free money on the table. Can I borrow from my 401k? Some plans allow you to take out loans against your 401k, but this should be done cautiously as it can affect your retirement savings. A 401k plan is more than just a savings account. It's a powerful tool for securing your future. By understanding how it works and making informed decisions, you can take full advantage of this benefit and set yourself up for a comfortable retirement. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all things personal finance. Remember, the earlier you start planning for retirement, the better off you'll be. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.